Fine. We'll start in 3, 2, 1, go.
We've reached the halfway point of our qualifying rounds here at the Finger Lakes Regional. This is match number 41, underway in the autonomous period. All machines in motion early, and the scoring begins here. 30-15 coming back for the second time here to the reef. That will not make it in time, but already 2 up for 7 points apiece for the Red Alliance. And they will push out in front 28-9 as drivers take control of their machines here in the teleoperated period of play. Another cap from 30-15 as their alliance partners, the Brainstem Robotics team, remove another LG, and LG is littering the field over here on the red side. Blue Alliance continues the Coral scoring up high. 15-07, the Warlocks now moving into position to remove an LG. They will take it in their possession all the way over to the processor for the 6-point score. And Red Alliance has the opportunity, and that one will fall onto the carpet where Red will be able to take advantage, or it might get in the way. We'll see what they decide to do. 54-25, just over a minute and a half left in play. 83-93, still fine-tuning that end effector. That one falls to the floor, but luckily they have that ground pickup here. They use it for LG instead as their alliance partners, Ranger Robotics out of Spencerport, cap off another one. Red has 1 of the 4 levels they need for the ranking point, and with 30-15 continuing to score around the top level, it looks like the strategy for Red is points. Shaker working on level 3 though, so that might not be the case as they switch gears here. Just over 1 minute left in play, 89-34, and Blue with catch-up work to do in the final minute of play. 30-04 moving into position on the far side of the reef. They're going to be running those level 1 cycles. That one doesn't hit home, but they head back and recollect at the Coral Station, with 15-07 delivering another algae to the processor, and one bouncing out of play as they head back to recollect with 40 seconds left on the clock. Both teams achieving cooperation here as the threshold for the ranking point for Coral drops to 3 levels here. Red Alliance has 2 of the 3 levels they need. Looks like only a few more pieces of Coral to be scored to get that ranking point as 30-15 breaks off early here. 110 to 20-second mark, and 30-15 is swinging on the deep cage. 12 points if they can hold it. Warlocks in 81-40. The Robomaniacs trying to grapple with that cage on the near side of the field for the Blue Alliance. 6 seconds to go. Shaker makes another delivery on level 1. That hits home with 3 seconds in play, and time expires as the Brainstem Robotics team to the Red Alliance. 131-63. Red Alliance takes this one. Both alliances getting the barge ranking point there with 14 scored apiece. With the auto and the win, Red Alliance